I'm Sania Khare, and in this video documentary, I'll tell you about Shri Morya Gosavi Maharaj Samadhi Mandir in Chinswad. This temple was built a very long time ago, between the years 1658 and 1659 AD. Back then, builder had to use only their hands and their great knowledge of the stone and natural materials. They used absolutely no cement, no iron bars, and no big machines. But guess what? Even after more than 350 years, the temple is still standing strong today. The most amazing part is that every stone in this temple is joined together without cement. The builder uses a special technique called interlocking stones, where each stone fits perfectly with the next one. The interlocking system is an ancient building technique where each stone shaped carefully so that it fits tightly with the stone next to it. There was no cement, no glue, no iron, only gravity, balance, and perfect cutting of the stones. Between some stones, small natural gaps were left intentionally for air circulation. The gaps helps keep the inside of the temple cool and dry and prevent water from staying inside the walls. That's why even after hundreds of monsoons, there's no water damage on the walls. When we look closely at the temple, we can see that every walls and pillars is placed in a perfect balance. Ancient builders didn't have measuring machines or modern tools. They used simple methods like ropes, shadows, and position of the sun to measure angles and directions. They followed a traditional design method known as Vastu Shastra, which helped them decide where each part of the temple should be built. According to Vastu, the direction of sunlight, wind, and energy flow is very important. So the entrance of the temple faces a direction that allows sunlight to fall on the main area in the morning, creating a peaceful and positive atmosphere. The pillars and walls are also built in a perfect proportion, meaning the distance between them is almost the same throughout the temple. This not only makes the temple look beautiful but also helps distribute the weight evenly, keeping the structure strong and balanced. Even today, if you stand in the middle of the temple and look around, you will notice that everything aligns perfectly, showing how skilled and precise the ancient craftsmen were, even without any modern tools. So, this amazing technique shows how skilled our ancient builders were, even without machine or modern tools. They create something that still stands strong after hundreds of years. The Shri Morya Gosavi Maharaj Samadhi Mandir is not just a spiritual place, but also a beautiful example of ancient Indian engineering and intelligence. It reminds us how our ancestors built with both faith and science, using their deep understanding of nature balance and design. Through this documentary, we learn how the Shri Morya Gosavi Maharaj Samadhi Mandir is not only a place of faith and devotion but also a reflection of the intelligence, skills, and creativity of our ancestors. It reminds us of the deep connection between spirituality and science in the ancient India. Thanks for watching.